Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm gonna do is just, eat for y'all, of course. No, that's the wrong one. Look, see if it's some shredded cheese. If it ain't no shredded cheese, you ain't getting no cheese. Period. Anyway, so this is basically the meal that I cooked the other day, yesterday, and I'm eating for y'all today. And if you want to know how I made this, go check out my video. It's 2 videos ago. How I'm gonna show y'all this? Whew. Hot. Kids are irritating. But anyways, this is really good. Especially it didn't set overnight. So it got like a great taste. Way better taste than when I first made it. Got me some good apple juice going on. Whew. Anywho, I'm gonna try not to make this video so long, so let me hurry up. Wet my paper towel. Anywho, so I don't have a story time today. I could make up one, but my story times be a little rough. And the kids here, so. Whew. This apple juice is so good and cold. But anyway, so I can't give y'all a little update on my doctor's appointment because I have my appointment today, which is I'm gonna post that video tomorrow or something. I don't know. Basically they want me to do this test and then they're gonna call me in for my surgery to tell me what my surgery date is. But the doctor's office, the walls are so thin. It was this fine dude up in there. He was so cute. And he got hemorrhoids. Okay, that's not funny because hemorrhoids is a serious thing. But it was funny because, like, I just wasn't expecting that. And he talked to the doctor and I'm hearing all his business. I'm like, whoa. I mean, he's still cute, though. He an older guy. That was hot. You done eating, girl? You better go get ready for bed. It's bedtime. Dessert my ass. Oh yeah, y'all can get a yogurt.
Can I get the last sugar float?
No.
That's funny.
Eat your food.
I'm not hungry.
Oh, okay. Good night. Bet. I slept so good last night, y'all. I went on ahead and got me some ZQL. Well, I already had it. I just wasn't taking it. But I took some last night and I went to bed like normal people. Oh my God. What? Get some more.
I'm saying, don't you always go to bed like normal people? I want some juice.
It was hard for me to sleep being on 3rd shift schedule for like 2 years. Yeah. Oh, I ain't even do my thumbnail. Let me see. Nah. Alright, that's gonna be my thumbnail. Is you mad or not? Because I'm fat and I can. Now what? Oh, people ugly around here. What? If I don't finish my food, you want it? No, you just ate her food and yours.
If you don't finish,
who you gonna be obese?
Can I have it then?
I'm gonna finish my food.
No.
These kids don't want you to eat. They don't want you to have nothing. Girl, shut up. But for real, I think y'all should try this recipe. I don't know what it's called because I just was like picking up stuff at the stove. Like, oh, I'm gonna try this in here. Oh, I'm gonna do that in here. Because like a while back, I had got a video request. Someone asked me to do some pasta, some cheesy pasta. I did put cheese in here. It's just not gonna be cheesy like they probably wanted it. No, ma'am. Well, no, sir, because it was a guy. This stuff's hot. What? I don't even know what you're saying. Anyway, so I had made some chicken noodle soup. Hey, homemade chicken noodle soup. Fire. I'm gonna have to eat that for y'all too, but that'll be tomorrow. Give them here. My daughter wants me to show you all these things that I found at Kroger's. No, that's not what I got from Kroger's. This is everybody know the crispy onions. It's only 40 calories per serving. And then I tried these because I got these from Walmart. This is 40 calories per serving as well. And this is red onions. And this right here, also 40 calories per serving. And it's super hot. It's a jalapeno, crispy jalapenos. And it's really good. Great flavor, but hot. I mean, like, almost 2 times spicy hot. Okay, I'm probably putting too much on it. But it was hot, though. What? Let her talk.
I wanted to say, can you tell them that it wasn't hot to me because it wasn't?
Girl, shut up.
That's why I told you to shut up. You shut up. Good job.
But yeah, and I think these was like $2 and some change. And I usually get the fried onions, but I wanted to try these other ones because I'm like, I ain't never even seen those in the fried or crispy, whatever you want to call them. But it's good though. I am getting full. No. Nobody can have my food. Quit looking at me like that. Jesus. No. You just gave your food away.
I know. I was just asking because I wanted to be in it. Go look at the food tonight. Please, Mom.
Girl, if you don't leave me alone.
I'm begging you with me.
These kids gonna be obese. Just like me.
Said just like Tanya.
No, you said just like mama.
No.
Yes, you did. I ain't stupid, but yep, just like me. Better learn from my mistakes. But no, you want to create your own mistakes. Get the move. These kids is annoying. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna take this bite. This is gonna be it for me. Really? Relax. Y'all already ate. Anyways, I'm gonna take this last little bite. Your girl done. I'm gonna take me some more ZQuil, and I'm gonna try to be out for the count. Oh, and guess what, guys? I have a job interview. I have 2 job interviews. One Thursday. That's for the hospital, for valet parking attendant. And then the other one is for, of course, nursing home. I'm hoping. I'm hoping that I get in valet parking. But I'm excited either way. So, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. New to my channel, hit that little bell icon button so you get updated videos when I post them. Okay? See, that was extra. I be doing too much extra. Anyways, guys, you have a good night, and thanks for watching. Bye.